Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today start by selecting the polygon tool and switch it to create a simple triangle. Then duplicate the triangle several times to form a circular burst pattern. Rotate each triangle carefully, keep equal spacing for symmetry, convert all triangles into smart objects to preserve ability, reduce the opacity for each shape to create a soft glow effect. Now apply Gaussian blur to select shapes for depth variation. Group the shapes and position the burst behind your main subject. Add an outer glow layer style to intensify the lighting effect. Adjust the blend mode to screen to blend it naturally. Duplicate the entire